Hey guys, Coops Gamer Gamer, and today I am joined with my friend Alfie Sausage. Shout
I've got
out.
more subscribers than him now.
Yeah, you had your channel for like 15. A few years. He's got 15.
Celebration.
He's got 15. Guys, help me out and subscribe to me instead. Yeah, unsubscribe to Alfie.
Please subscribe to me.
Yeah, subscribe to
me.
both of us.
If you don't know what my channel name is, have you subscribed?
Yeah, I've subscribed.
Yeah, he's subscribed.
It's Alfie Sausage.
No,
Yeah.
Alfie Sausage 10. So if you go into his subscriptions and then click on my channel, then hit the subscribe button. It's really funny, this video that I did. I did a toilet paper fight in my granny's loft, and it ended horribly because I was showing everyone around it, and it was a fail because I knocked my flashlight on this piece of metal and it went out.
It just went out. Oh, you
And I
must
was
have been so
literally
rich.
doomed. I couldn't see a thing.
You must have been so
I would
rich.
have.
Oh, jeez.
I would have nearly ended the video.
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! Look at it!
Yeah, as I was saying,
It's forgotten.
oh yeah, I accidentally banged it again. Oh my god, there's a girl that has a crush on me over there.
Great.
She's in year 8.
Great.
Yeah, so I banged it by accident and then somehow it just flashed and then, what the heck? And I went, oh yeah, I forgot about that technique. If you bang it, it moves the battery around, and if you bang it again, it puts it back on. So I banged it and then it literally turned back on. It was amazing.
Wow, nice. Oh, cricket! There's a cricket in there. Subscribe, it says subscribe up there. You probably can't see it, but yeah, have a look at it. You should be able to see it some better. It's right over there.
I might be getting the PS4.
Nice. It's like that little metal thing there. That little metal thing over there. So yeah, it's been. We've only literally just got here. Like, well, I've only just got here. Like, you were already here.
No.
What is it?
Punch a little kid.
What is
I just
it?
looked at him because of his necklace and he's.
I know he has a damn thug life necklace. He's off. He's
Yeah,
off.
he's a wimp. He's a wimp.
He's off.
He's a retard.
He's off. He's grassing you up. He grassed you up.
Did he?
Yeah, he grassed you up.
I don't care because I'm just going to say.
Oh, Jesus Christ, this is getting crazy. This bonfire is getting crazy. I'm listening to the click and see if I can hear it. Yeah, right. Don't swear in my videos. Don't swear in my videos. Please. It'll ruin them. Come on, shall we go up to the bonfire? That, it's gone crazy, look at it.
Oh yeah,
That's
that's in my
crazy.
bedroom earlier. I was doing a lyric prank video on Hollies. I said, oh guys, I wish I would have started this video a little bit later because I really need to pee now. And I went to go pee when I was just about to open the door, and then the door handle came off.
Oh my god, no way.
Yeah, but luckily I opened the door. But then I was still recording, so I went back and closed the door, and I got stuck.
Oh, great.
No, I got stuck in my bedroom earlier because the door handle came off when I needed to pee.
Cool.
Another video as well. Doing a lyric prank on Holly and Smith. I texted the first line, like, stop doing pranks, Alfie. And I just carried on anyway. She told me to shut up.
I might do that one day.
This, and I said, yeah. And she said, hi guys. You were funny.
Whose number do you have?
Fire. It's warming it fire.
I don't know how, but I'm
Yeah, right, then let's go stand with it. Yeah. Come on, let's go stand over it. Yeah, we can show them a little
flashlight
bit.
went off on it. Wow, look at this. I had a homemade burger for tea. Nice.
Oh, that's so warm.
Warming my butt up.
Yeah, I know. Oh, jeez, that's so nice.
No, they don't do them over there. They're coming over there. Yeah, look, it's mine like this.
I know. Oh yeah, this video was this might be uploaded on I'm gonna upload this video on Saturday, but actually it's a Friday right now. But because if you watch it on the Saturday,
Push on me.
yeah.
She sent me a friend request on Snapchat.
Oh my god. Did you accept it?
Yeah, to see what she does.
Like,
And
what does she
it's
do?
evolving, so I literally deleted her instantly. It's just so I could get rid of the friend request.
Oh, I saw one Snapchat. I'll send you a friend request.
That's what my name is.
Well, Alpha Sausage.
Alpha Sausage 10. Right.
Yeah,
She can't even smell sausage. She calls me. She once said to me, "Sausage, come here." Oh, funny.
Oh my god.
I'm not the sausage. I'm the
Oh,
sausage.
something epic.
Summer loving. Not the sausage.
Oh, you are like a singer, aren't you?
I love singing. Well, look how many kids are coming.
This kid was like, rest in peace. It was just.
Do you know what
He
toilets
tripped
are?
over. Yeah.
Good.
So why do you need toilet?
No, I already know where they are. Because if you didn't know, I'd show you.
Yeah, I already know. I've been here like loads of times. Hopefully
the
don't
last
Chloe
time I
don't
came
come
was
here.
last year.
I hope Chloe don't come here.
Oh wait, no, Christmas actually.
Oh, fireworks are about to start. I can tell that guy's just looking at them. This guy's setting them all up. I can't tell if you can see that. Oh, can you see that little orange light over there? You might be able to see it. That's it. Where's that guy? That's right there. I'm zoomed in on camera roll. It's right over there.
My loving
So there, you guys should have seen that zoomed in. First, back first. First.
Best lyrics ever for
Fire's over there.
California breakfast.
No, she's
Breakfast.
Let's go over here. Should we go in? Should we go in?
Yeah, if you're wondering where I got the breakfast thing from, it's a meme.
Oh yeah, have
It's
you
really
seen that
funny.
guy? Where
This
that guy
guy-
said, that guy walks in and
This
goes,
guy's
"What's
sister
this?"
comes in, says, "What's going on in here?" And he says, "Breakfast! You can't eat this! We'll talk outside." And then he literally locks him outside. And says, "No."
Let's go in. So guys, we are inside now.
Just the best dancer ever.
Hashtag going on piano tiles. I cannot record. Oh, rest in peace. Oh, you missed it. You totally missed it. Great. One sec. One sec. Going on YouTube.
This is just. Oh my god, I got a couch! What? Don't look at my bedroom. Can you just start the word, please? Swirling storm inside. Come on, go. Even if I try, no, I don't. There's a sparrow. No, I need one to evolve it. I've already done it. I've evolved it. It's really good.
But it's finally recording. We're not recording, you know, we're recording fireworks.
Now that's a sign of
Yeah,
No, imagine if someone did a firework and it was supposed to say bonfire night, but it said breakfast. That would be funny.
breakfast night.
And epic.
The wiggly ones. I call them the wiggly ones. I thought.
Now imagine if you could die on Minecraft by walking into a firework.
There's fireworks on Prairie, you know.
Yeah, I know. Me and Joel kept setting them off in our house.
Oh, that was nice. They're not exploding anymore. It's really flat.
No, when it becomes one thing different.
Oh, no, and now they're actually exploding. Oh, did you see that one? That was cool.
That one was cool.
They're called firecrackers, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, right.
They're called breakfast.
Fireworks.
Yeah. Now imagine if someone set off a firework, a lot of fireworks. Boom, careful.
Oh my God, Sam, Jesus Christ, don't put that. Don't put him on YouTube. What? It don't matter. He'll get me famous. We don't care. Don't put me on YouTube. I want to be on YouTube. Are you putting this on YouTube? Yeah, I'm putting it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Can you hear it? Yeah.
Imagine a firework. A lot of fireworks.
This is a ninja.
That'll be
from outer space. Elephant! Okay, now back to the fireworks. You can't see me, fireworks. Wah. Okay. Alright, okay, it's probably going to be a big one now. There'll probably be like a massive one right now. I bet. That's what they always do. Alfie! They'll do a massive one. I just know they will. I just know they will. Video. I'm recording it. No, wait. Alfie, shall we go inside? No, we'll watch them. That's well up. Just keep filming it. All these little First Bonfire night on YouTube. Like the first Bonfire night I had since I did my YouTube channel. I had mine like my Bonfire night special. Oh no, the little fan. Yeah, we can't. I'm literally just recording fireworks.
So guys, that was the end of my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed the fireworks at the end of it. And yeah, see you guys on the next video. Bye.